Welcome to my channel, English with Roma. When you hear English, try to speak it right after. Let's speak while you listen.
How are you doing today?
Where is the nearest bus stop? The weather feels perfect for a walk. We should meet at the cafe around 5. I couldn't stop laughing at that joke. Let's take a break and have some tea. I'm trying to drink more water every day. Patience is a form of strength. Your perspective is quite insightful. I'll prioritize this task first. Could you clarify what you mean? I'd like my coffee with a hint of cinnamon. I'm in the mood for something light but energizing. Could you make it decaf without compromising the taste? Could you recommend something with a bold flavor?